My alarm system went off on my phone and cut my thing off. Anyway, so I have a whole bunch of more Spellbinder stuff. Let me show you this real quick. I got this by Clover. This is a hairpin lace tool, so you can crochet with this. And it was $4.99, 218-5325. So it just shows you how you can make some stitches with this. So another tool to crochet with. Not that I do a lot of it. So a couple of tonic things. I love this stamp set called It Girl. It's $3.99, 2166547. They are so cute because look, they are shopping. Is that not cute? They had a couple. I went back the next day, they were gone. This is a tonic die, and this is 2166530, and it's called Zigzag Floral. It's a 4-piece set, so you have your outer piece, and then you have these in the middle. So, I'm trying to see where it's 4 at. So it must be 2 rings. But anyway, these 2 panels, you can cut one and double it, so you can make it look like that. Or it can look like that. I thought this was kind of cute, and this one is Harvey's Ledge, 2166523. I guess the dog name is Harvey. So this is a 7-piece set. You got the doggies in the window, puppies in the window. So you can see, it says these designs or more, so you can take them out and make several different designs. Hope you can see that. So I just thought that was pretty cool. So the rest are all Spellbinders, and I'm on the fence a couple. So I'm not going to necessarily keep all of these. A couple I think I'm going to take back. But you know, Tuesday morning, some of them were only one. I said, let me grab them. Then I go home and outside, and then I take which ones. I look at my budget, take which ones I want to take back. This is Heart Latte, 2209695. Which I usually don't take too much back to Tuesday morning, but I do when I need to. This is S4949. This one I love. I didn't buy this for my sister. I bought this one for me. I love this background stamp, and it is Dear Ruby, 2209716 for $6.99. I didn't want to pay $6.99, but this is a nice background stamp. I love script stamps like that, and it's huge, so I love that. And the Spellbinder's number is SBS048. And then the rest of these extra small little stamps, they're all word sentiments. But these are great for journals and for cards and things like that. But a couple I think I'm going to take back. I'm not going to keep all of these, but anyway, so this one is Thinking of You, 2209650 for $2.99. Thinking of You. Days stamp for $3.99, 2209662. My happiest days are the ones spent with you. They are cute though. Rejoice, 2209659 for $3.99. I will rejoice for all the things. Where it says I rejoice in all things, whether good or bad, you gotta learn how to rejoice in all things, so that you don't end up in depression. People don't realize that you gotta learn how to, unfortunately, accept some things, which is hard, and be grateful and thankful, because if not, it can spiral you down into sadness. Choose Life stamp, 2209663. That don't mean you love everything to happen, but just learn how to find something good in every bad situation. And this one is Deuteronomy 30:19. Therefore choose life that you may live. I know I'm going to keep that one. See, they use that as in a Bible journal or as a bookmark. This one is Wishing You the Best. I thought this was cute. Wishing You the best day ever. $4.29, 2209674. And this says new 3D shading. And I meant to say that too. This says the 3D shading. And that one has the 3D shading on. So, let's see how that goes. trying to see what makes it look so. Can't tell from the picture what a 3D shading is per se. But anyway, Fall For You stamp for $4.29, 220-9678. I could fall for you. And again, they in the package, so sorry about any glare. And the next ones are die sets and stamp sets. So a couple of these I'm gonna fence it out. I'm still debating about this one, even though I love this set. I forgot to read these numbers over here. This one is SDS 107. That's the Spellbinder's number, and this number is 2209713. And it is 5 stamps and 5 dies from my heart to you, from me, with love, for you. So you can stamp them, or you can stamp and die cut. And this one is SDS 105, and this is called Party Stamp. This is one I'm on the fence about. 2209717. It's cute though. I feel a party coming on, so you can die cut 2 different colors for the papers for the party hat and a flower, or you can just stamp it. And I thought these, I love these right here. I always think these are so cute. This is called Grateful, and it's 2209664. It says you are great. You are really great, so very grateful. And you got your graters and some cheese, and an example on the back. And then the next one is Shake It for $6.49, 2209712. It says let's shake on it. P.S. Oh hey, sugar, shake it off. And then you got your sugar and your sugar cube. I mean your salt and your sugar cube. And last but not least, we have the Toast with Jam, and it is 2209709, and this is SDS 127. So Toast with Jam and Bread. Toast to the happy couple. You are jamming. Way to go. Thanks for getting me out of a jam. You make everything butter. And you got some strawberries and some jam, a toaster and butter. And you got a smiley face. So you can do a lot with that. Even that smiley face, you can use that on other stamps, because just the eyes and the mouth. You don't have to use it on that jam jar or jelly jar, but you can use that on the toast. You can use it on the toaster, or any of these other ones, or any other stamp. Or the small face, you can use it on like a Julie Nutting or something like that stamp. So you have options to use that little stamp. It doesn't have to stay with that. But anyway, so that's what I picked up. And again, like I said, some of these are going back, and I'm gonna take back this kit. But if you're looking for it, it's a good kit. I think it's fun to play with. I think you might really enjoy it. I don't see why you can't do this in your regular embossing folder, to be honest, because you can deboss with your embossing folders with just 2 embossing plates. So I don't know if you would necessarily need that embossing kit to do it, but it may be just the thickness of these particular stamps, these plates as they call them, that will require that. But it's not a bad set. I don't think it's messy. If you're using a brayer and you're not used to using a brayer and rubbing the ink, a little drop of ink, which they were selling the ink too for $2.99. You take a little drop of ink, roll it on the brayer, and then you roll it onto the stamp, and you can do that. Or like they have it here, they just actually use the ink pad, which is not your regular it's not archival ink. It's not chalk ink. It's not pigmented ink. It's another ink that they use here, but you can still use regular ink and deboss. This is just a faster drying ink. As soon as you take it out, it should be dry. So you do have options there. So just in case you're thinking about it. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.